Hi, welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the summary of the news that have been trending in northern Nigeria.
Some parents and stakeholders in Niger, Nasarawa and Kogi State have commended the decisions of the Imo State government to ban graduation ceremonies in primary schools and call for a nationwide abolition of the practice. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) has arrested a 75-year-old man, Uchelu Ikechukwu, alongside other several suspects in nationwide operations that also led to the destructions of over 178,000 kg of cannabis cultivated on a Taraba forest farm. The Northwest Democracy Monitoring Group has faulted the latest report released on insecurity by Amnesty International on Nigeria, describing it as fake, mischievous, and grossly misleading. The Bauchi State government has renamed the National Youth Service Corps Orientation Camp in the state after the late educationist Malam Y. Baba. The state head of service, Sani Umar, made this known during a symposium held on Saturday to honor the deceased. Now, insecurity. Nigerian army have neutralized 12 Boko Haram terrorists during a series of offensive operations in Borno State at the weekend. The operations were carried out in Tamsu Ngamdu, Dala Kaleri, Gaza, and Loskori Kura village. According to the source, troops made contact with the terrorists at Loskori Kura, where 12 of the Boko Haram terrorists were neutralized after a gun battle. At least 13 persons died and 22 others were missing in Zamfara State after the boats they crowded in order to escape an attack by bandits sank in a river on Friday. Army have repelled terrorist attack in Sokoto, Katsina State, according to the defense headquarters. Security forces intensified patrol along the Abuja-Kaduna highway and the Kaduna-Abuja train corridor to ensure the safety of commuters. Now, politics. The former Tinubu-Shettima 2023 presidential campaign coordinator in Zamfara State, Senator Kabiru Marafa, has confirmed his resignation from the All Progressive Congress (APC). Political tensions is rising in Kaduna State after ADC disowned a controversial event linked to the former Kaduna State Governor El-Rufai, while the police launched an investigation into allegations of violence and gunfire at the gathering. I left PDP for APC without prayers. I have now fasted 31 days, ex-Adamawa Senator Elisha Abo. No right-thinking northerner will vote Tinubu in 2027, says Sule Lamido. Now, from the international scene, thousands of Australians joined anti-immigration rallies across the country on Sunday that the centre-left government condemned, saying they sought to separate hate and were linked to neo-Nazis. Nearly 500,000 of people have been displaced by flooding in eastern Pakistan after days of heavy rain swelled rivers, according to rescue officials who have been carrying out a huge rescue operations as the country struggles with a monsoon season devastation. Russian President Vladimir Putin and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi are among the more than 20 world leaders attending the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Summit. For more information, subscribe to our YouTube channel at the News Chronicle. Follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment, and share.